Hi, I'm Nancy. Welcome to my kitchen.
Today I'm making Mu Shu Chicken, so let's review the ingredients. I have chicken breast, eggs, cabbage, green onion, garlic, ginger, and this is a dried wood ear that's been soaked in hot water for about 15 minutes. And it looks like this dried, and when you purchase at the Asian market, look for the variety that has the white backing. And the wood ear is going to give the dish a nice crunchy texture. And also have Mu Shu wrappers, Shaoxing wine, sesame oil, seasoning, salt, oyster sauce, Hoisin sauce, black pepper, and white pepper. For the prep, let's start with the chicken. I'm going to slice it and cut it into strips. And we'll cut it into like matchstick pieces. And for the protein, you could use any other variety. You can use pork, beef, shrimp, anything you like. I just so happen to have some chicken. Okay, so it's nicely shredded. Place it back into the bowl here. We're going to wash up and we can proceed with the rest of the prep. So next, let's give the chicken a quick marinade. I'll add a bit of the seasoning salt mix here. White pepper. Sesame oil. And the Shaoxing wine. Give this a good mix. Okay, so just set this aside and let it marinate for about 10 minutes. And next we can cut up the cabbage. I'm removing the core. Cutting in half. And I'm going to cut it into shreds. All right, next let's mince the ginger and garlic. Okay, that looks good. And next, we'll cut the wood ear into strips. I'm just going to stack them. They're almost the same size strips as the cabbage. And we'll slice the green onion. I'm going to cut this into quarter sections. And next, let's whisk up the eggs. Okay, that's good. Okay, next let's peel back the Mu Shu skins. And this comes like 22 a pack. And when you order any type of Mu Shu item in the restaurant, they never give you enough skin. So it's great that you can make it at home. The Mu Shu skins came frozen, so take it out the night before in the fridge. and it becomes very pliable. And you're going to gently peel off each layer. And I like to just put it in a half moon shape. Use as many skin as you like. I'm going to put out 8 pieces. And if you end up having extra pieces, you can actually put it back in the freezer and make sure to wrap it up tightly in a saran wrap and into a freezer bag. Or you can use this for other purposes. You can wrap anything in it, fried rice, any other vegetable dish. Okay, and for the wrappers, I like to lay a damp paper towel over it so it doesn't dry out while we're cooking. Okay, so we'll leave it at that. So all the prep is done. Let's start cooking. I have the pan set at medium-high heat. The first thing we're going to do is cook off the chicken. Add a bit of oil. We'll let it cook on one side for about 30 seconds. And we're going to cook the chicken until it becomes opaque. We'll let it cook on the other side for 30 seconds also. Okay, give it a toss. And that's good. Let's remove it from the pan. Okay, I gave the pan a quick wash and rinse. So let's dry it out. Well, the pan is still set at medium-high heat. Next, we'll cook the eggs. Add a little bit of oil. Add the eggs. We're just gonna cook this until soft scramble. And this is good. Remove it from the pan. Okay, I gave the pan another wash and rinse. Dry it off again. Pan is still set at medium-high heat. So let's add oil. We'll add the ginger and garlic mixture. We'll add the cabbage. Give it a good toss. And we'll add some seasoning salt. Sesame oil. Cracked pepper. And you can add as much or little pepper as you like. I'm also going to add the wood ears and the green onions. And we don't want to overcook the cabbage. We want it to still have a little crunchiness. So let's return the chicken. We'll add the eggs. I'm going to break up the eggs a little bit here. And we'll add the oyster sauce and the Shaoxing wine. And this cooks up very quickly. And just toss this for about 15 seconds to combine all the ingredients and flavors. And this looks really good. I've turned off the heat. You can give it a test. That is really good. Okay, so this is done. Let's serve this. So let's plate this. And for the Mu Shu skins, you can steam it on top of the stove or just do as I did. I kept a damp towel on top of the skins and popped it in the microwave for only 15 seconds. And it's nice and pliable and it's warm. And here we have a super simple, delicious plate of Mu Shu chicken. This is a super popular dish served at a lot of Chinese restaurants. And you can change out the protein to pork, beef, lamb, shrimp, anything you like. And you can also use different vegetables. You can use bamboo shoot, bean sprouts, carrots. But I like the wood ear with the cabbage. It has a nice crunch. And this is also served with some hoisin sauce. I'm just gonna squeeze some on the side. And here we have a delicious plate of Mu Shu chicken with Mu Shu skins and hoisin sauce. But you know what, let me show you how to roll up one. Okay, so take a piece of skin, grab a little bit hoisin sauce and just run it across. And the key to wrapping is not to put too much filling in. And you can wrap it like an egg roll. And I like to bring it over the bottom to the top and bring it back. Wrap the sides over. And there we have it. It's like an egg roll shape. And it's absolutely delicious. Let me give it a try. And that's really good. I'm talking with my mouth full. Enjoy! Okay, so let's see if Shadow likes Mu Shu chicken. Ooh, yummy. She likes the chicken. She likes the wood ears. Thank you for watching, everyone. Until next time, eat well and be healthy. Good girl.